Hey everyone, so it's day 2 down here at Jayco. I just wanted to run through what we did in day 1. So as I explained yesterday, we were doing the internal sealing of a Jayco Caravan. Now to do that internal sealing, it's not actually taking the sealing out from inside. We have to take all the hatches and skylights off the roof, take the side and rear trims and molds off. We have to peel back the fiberglass from the roof, and then it gives us access to the ply and the frame underneath, which we then have to remove all that so we can get the ceiling panel. Now we have to build a whole new frame around a new ceiling panel, install the whole thing, silicone it, attach it all to the internals of the roof, refit ply over that, connect all the wiring that we disconnected, refit the fiberglass sheet as well, and then refit all the side molds, the trims, and rear side mold and trim, as well as the skylights and hatches that we removed. So there's a bit involved when it comes to replacing one of those ceiling panels, but with the experience that I'm now getting and the team's going to get when they come back down here, it's something that we'll be able to offer you guys. So that's day 1 and day 2, and I will let you guys know tomorrow what day 3 involves. Have a great day.